Hey everyone, imagine pulling a 24-inch architectural rendering off the press, crisp as a laser-etched blueprint, and doing it in under a minute while knowing that if anything goes wrong, a technician will be at your door within hours. That's the promise of the HP DesignJet T870 large format 24-inch plotter, the workhorse that's turning studios, construction sites, and university labs into instant print factories. Today we're diving deep into every feature that makes the T870 more than just a big printer. It's a strategic advantage for architects, engineers, educators, and anyone who needs flawless, multi-size prints on demand. First up, let us talk support. HP bundles a 2-year care pack with on-site and phone support, reference number AM0X9H. What does that really mean? In the field, downtime equals lost billable hours. With the T870, if a sensor fails or a printhead clogs, a certified technician will be at your location, not just on the other side of a call. That rapid response eliminates the dreaded printer is down email chain and keeps projects moving. For firms that run tight design-build schedules, this level of service is worth its weight in gold, especially when you compare it to the typical 3 to 5 day turnaround you'd face with standard warranty service. Now, onto the core purpose of this machine: precision line drawings, high-resolution renders, posters, signage, and maps. The T870 is engineered for line quality that rivals a drafting table. Its 1200 dpi resolution and HP Precision ink delivers razor-sharp edges and consistent color across the entire 24-inch width. Think of a civil engineer printing a topographic map. Every contour line stays true, no feathering, no banding. Or a professor printing a 13 by 19-inch poster for a conference, the text stays legible from across the room, and the colors pop without any unexpected shifts. This reliability is why the T870 has become a go-to in architectural firms where a single misplaced line could mean a costly redesign. Media versatility is where the T870 truly shines. It handles rolls up to 24 inches wide, perfect for banner-length plans or large-scale site plans, while also feeding sheets up to 13 by 19 inches via the optional automatic sheet feeder. The automatic sheet roll switch means you can start a batch of 24-inch roll prints, then seamlessly transition to a stack of glossy photo paper without manually reloading. The built-in media bin stores up to 20 sheets, and the horizontal cutter slices rolls on the fly, delivering right-size prints ready for immediate pickup. Whether you're printing a vinyl banner, a glossy marketing poster, or a self-adhesive window graphic, the T870 reads the media type and adjusts ink flow for optimal adhesion and color fidelity. Let us break down the practical benefits of that media handling. Imagine a construction manager who needs a quick site-specific safety sign printed on durable self-adhesive film, followed by a set of detailed engineering schematics on bond paper, all in the same session. With the T870's automatic switch, you load both media types, cue the jobs, and the printer does the rest. No manual refeeds, no risk of mixing up rolls. This not only saves time, but also reduces the chance of human error, which can be costly when you're on a tight deadline. Cost efficiency is another silent hero. HP claims up to 95% less ink consumption for routine maintenance compared with competing plotters. The DesignJet's precision ink cartridges are designed for high yield, and the printer's smart firmware monitors head health, prompting cleaning cycles only when necessary. In real-world terms, a firm that prints 500 sheets a month could save hundreds of dollars annually on ink and maintenance labor. Add the reduced waste from the automatic cutter, no more trimming off excess roll material, and you have a tighter bottom line. How does the T870 stack up against typical alternatives like the Canon ImagePrograph series or Epson SureColor large format printers? Those models certainly deliver quality, but they often require separate media trays or manual roll changes, and their maintenance cycles can be more frequent, driving up consumable costs. The T870's integrated sheet feeder, automatic cutter, and onboard media bin give it a workflow advantage that translates directly into faster turnaround and fewer interruptions. Plus, the 2-year on-site support is a rarity. Many competitors only offer remote assistance, leaving you to troubleshoot on your own. Let us walk through a day in the life of a user. Morning, the design team uploads a set of 24-inch construction drawings to the HP Smart Dashboard. The printer pulls the roll, prints, and the horizontal cutter slices each sheet to the exact length ready to be stapled and delivered to the site. Midday, the marketing department queues a batch of 13 by 19 glossy posters for an upcoming trade show. The automatic sheet feeder loads the stack, the printer switches media, and within minutes the posters are out, colors vivid and text crystal clear. Afternoon, a facilities manager needs a quick replacement sign printed on durable vinyl. He loads the roll, selects the vinyl media type, and the printer automatically adjusts ink density for outdoor durability. No downtime, no reloading, just pure productivity. In conclusion, the HP DesignJet T870 ISNT, just a large format printer, it's an integrated solution that blends precision, versatility, and peace of mind. Its 2-year on-site care pack eliminates the fear of unexpected outages. Its media flexibility handles everything from roll-wide banners to sheet-size posters, and its cost-saving ink technology protects your budget. If you're an architect, engineer, educator, or any professional who demands high-quality, multi-size prints without the hassle of manual media swaps, the T870 is the tool that lets you focus on design, not on printer logistics. Ready to upgrade your print workflow and eliminate downtime for good? Click the link below to learn more. Grab the HP DesignJet T870 with the 2-year care pack and start turning your digital files into flawless, large format reality today. Thanks for watching, and as always,